The Jnani, the Vidvat Sannyasi, who had not taken to upasanas up to the Sakshatkara of Upasya Daivata earlier, has to put forth deliberate efforts to accomplish Vasanakshaya and Manonashaya to gain the Jivan Mukti, because his Tattvajnana continues, whereas by Prarabdha Bhoga, Vasanakshaya and Manonashaya, they just disappear. He is not able to maintain them because Dhrida Abhyasa was not taken to earlier. So in this context now, what is this Vasana is being further elaborated. Where was the first one? Jivagata Dharma Dharma Samskara. So that was the first definition of Vasana. Where was it? Your page 26. No, 8. Anandashram 8. Vasanaha dharma dharma rupaha jivagata samskara. Jivagata means belonging to jiva. The samskaras, the latent impressions in the mind belong to jiva in the form of dharma and adharma. Dharma dharma stands for, refers to papa punya. So then the next one was like this. Purvapara paramarshamantarena sahasa utpadyamanasya krodhadi vritti visheshasya hetuhu chittagataha samskaraha vasana. So in the case of such vrittis, krodhadi, krodha, kama, moha, mada, matsara, so which are born suddenly. How suddenly? Without purvapara paramarsha, without any preceding or following consideration. So the cause of that is some samskara, some latent impressions in the antakarana. That is what is vasana. Now at a still the detailed level, the same thing is now being explained.
यस्याः क्षयाय प्रयतितव्यम् इति चेत् तत्स्वरूपम् आह वसिष्ठः.
You have taken, no? Yes. Taken? No? Yes. Yes. So, Keyam Vasana. What is the Keyam? Ka, not Kaha. Ka, Iyam, Keyam. So what is this Iyam, this Vasana? What is that Vasana? So Iyam Vasana. Yasyaha, for whose Kshayaya, destruction, Prayatitavyam iti chet, one has to put forth the effort. If that is the case, Tat Swarupam Aha, its nature is described by who? Vasishta. So, Vasishta, Dhrida Bhavanaya.
यदादानं पदार्थस्य वासना सा प्रकीर्तिता.
Say, in short, whatever we take as this, what is this? Microphone. What is this? What is this? All because of vasana. Anything you determine this as this, certainly as this, it is because of there is lot of impressions at the backdrop as such. So that is. Now let us see. Dhrida Bhavanaya. You can add there. Praktanaya. By the by, this is from Yoga Vasishta Upashama Prakarana Sarga 91 stanza 29, 30, 31, 32. Yoga Vasishta Upashama Prakarana Sarga 91 stanzas 29, 30, 31, 32. Now the 29th stanza. So you can add praktanaya. Praktanaya means earlier. What are those? Dhrida bhavanaya. What is the dhrida bhavana? Dehadi padarthanam aham mama ityadi rupa samskaratmana. In the form of samskara, latent impressions. About what? Dehadi padarthanam. Deha, body, indriya, mind, etc. Padarthanam. The notion. What notion? Aham mama ityadi rupa samskaratmana. I, mine. This is what is I? Body is I. This is mine. So in terms of ityadi, adi for kama, krodha, lobha, moha, mada, matsara, all blessed things that crop up in the antakarna. So ityadi rupa samskaratmana, in the form of samskaras. Dehadi padarthanam aham mama ityadi rupa samskaratmana. Because of such samskaras, what happens? Further from the stanza, tyakta purvapara vicharanam. So wherein purva apara vicharanam is given up, means without inquiring what is purva means what is the cause, what is the apara means what is the effect. Without inquiring what is the cause and what is the effect, or what we had seen earlier, without any preceding and following consideration. Earlier purvapara paramarsha mantrena was the same thing. Without any preceding and following consideration means there is no deliberation at all. It is spontaneous. That is what will be seen. Then with such samskaras, without any such inquiring into the cause and effect, padarthasya, of the thing. Here thing refers to dehadi padarthasya. Padartha stands for deha, mana, buddhi, indriya, all such things. So dehadi padarthasya yat adanam means whatever adanam is, grahanam, cognition. Adanam, grahanam, cognition. How? As told earlier, aham mama iti adi rupa samskaratmana. This is I, this is mine, in terms of such samskaras. So cognition of the things like body and the things around, belongings, etc. So that is what is sa. That one can add eva, heridi, vasana. It is a vasana. It is called vasana. That is what is called vasana. Why it is called vasana? Other way of etymological derivation. So vasayati iti vasana. What is vasayati? Vasayati means bhavayati. What is bhavayati? Displays, exhibits, establishes, convinces. Vasayati iti vasana. So what is vasayati? Meaning of vasayati? Bhavayati. What is the meaning of bhavayati? Displays, exhibits, establishes, convinces. So how? This way now. Vasayati. How? Dehadi bhavena. As the things, this is the body, this is me, these are indriyas, these are pranas, this is mine, this is something belonging to me. Iti dehadi bhavena atmanam bhavayati means that which exhibits oneself in terms of body, mind, intellect. Means those samskaras by which you are taking the body, etc. as I or belonging to me is product of what? That is what is the vasana. we can see examples. How a newly born child cries. Which training school it was in? It sucks mother's milk. Where did it learn? For example, so they say some tortoises lay the eggs on the beach, and when that baby is born, it goes to the ocean, water. Who taught it? A baby monkey clasping the mother monkey. Where the training was given? These are the, again say, the moment you wake up from the sleep, what do you do? What do you do? What do you do? You plunge in your activities. Means something is programming is there already. That programming, that is samskara. So that is samskara, that is vasana. These are the examples. So that is, so sadyo jatasya, a child that is just born, or suptothitasya, the one who is woken up from the sleep, sahasa pravruttau hetuhu, suddenly the cause which makes the child or the person to take to activities, it is what? Samskara. So that is what samskara, or that samskara is vasana. So one definition, further explanation.
Bhavitam tivra samvegat atmana yattadeva saha bhavatyashu mahabaho vigatedara samskrutihi.
Mahabaho, Lord Rama is addressed, O Rama, Mahabaho. Yat. Yat means Yat Vastu, whatever thing. Tivra Samvegat Atmana Bhavitam. Tivra Samvegat means by repeated practice, in-depth practice, what is called as Dridabhyasa. Tivra Samvegat is Dridabhyasa, a firm practice. Atmana means chittena, by one's own mind. Bhavitam, chintitam, thought of. So whatever thing is thought of by the mind with repeated firm practice. So chintitam. Bhavati means practice, that is chintitam, is thought of. Saha, saha means who? The bhavita purushaha, the person who repeatedly thinks with the that means with firmness of some certain thing, bhavita purushaha. And how he thinks? Vigatetara samskrutihi, without thinking of anything else. Vigatetara samskrutihi means vastvantaram achintayan, without thinking of anything else whatsoever, thinks of a given thing so incessantly, the Vigate Samskriti, Ashu means soon, quickly, Tadeva Bhavati, that person becomes verily that. You know English, no? As you think, so you become. No, yadbhavam taha yas vadbhavam taha. The other thing is this, what is the Brahmarakita Naya? No, Brahmarakita, of course. Whether it is true or not, okay, but such a rule is there. Brahmarakita. That is the kita, that is that some what is the tupa or something they call. So that it goes on picking, and that gets frightened and all these things of this Brahmara, and afterwards it becomes the Brahmar. What you think, so you become. So what is that? By repeated thinking, what are you generating? Samskaras. These are the vasanas. As the vasana, so the person. So that is how it is. Further.
सम्पश्यति यदेवैतत् सद्वस्मिन् विमुह्यति
वासना विवशीकृतः हि तादृग्रूपः पुरुषः. The Purusha, the person. What type of person? Vasana vivashīkritaha, enslaved by vasanas. Vasana vivashīkritaha, enslaved by vasanas. He means it is a prasiddhi in the Shastras, etc. Tadrigrupaha. Tadrigrupa means vasana rupaha. So he is the constant thinking on the thing is such that he is totally identified with those vasanas. So Tadrigrupaha means vasana rupaha, being totally identified with those vasanas. Such a Purushaha yadeva sampashyati, whatever yadeva vastu, whatever thing he sees, perceives, sees means perceives, sampashyati, perceive. Etat means tadeva vastu. Etat means this means that very same thing which he perceives. Sad vastu iti vimuhyati. It is sad vastu means pramanika vastu. It is the real thing, so he gets vimuhyati, gets deluded. Right? The vasanas have already colored the mind. So as whatever he thinks, that is what? Not thinks. Whatever he perceives, that is the real thing. Do you know what it means? All the world drishya jagat that we perceive is projection of the film that is behind. Which film? This vasana film. The vasana film that is there. And it goes, movie is going on. All. But what we take? We take it as real. This is the handiwork of vasana. Further,
vasana vega vaivasya swarupam prajapati tat krantam pashyati durdrushtihi sarvam madavashadiva.
Durdrishtihi vasana vega vaivasya tat swarupam prajahati. Durdrishtihi Durdrishtihi vasana vega vaivashyat tat swarupam prajahati. Who is the Durdrishtihi? Person of perverted vision. Person of perverted vision. Vasana vega vaivasya, because of the overt force of vasana. Vaivashyat means being enslaved by the overt force of vasana. Tat. Tat means that prasiddham, well known. What is the prasiddham? Swarupam. What is the swarupam? Vastu swarupam is Brahma. So that well known, where well known? In the Shastra. So swarupam, vastu swarupam Brahma. Do you know what he does? Prajahati. Gives up means na grinhati, does not cognize. Prajahati literally means gives up. What do you mean by gives up? Does na grinhati, doesn't cognize. Then what does he do? Madavashadiva. Madavashadiva means as though under intoxication. As though under intoxication. Sarvam bhrantam pashyati. Sarvam means drishyadajatam jagat, the entire jagat. How does he see? Bhrantam, topsy-turvy. means anyatha bhutam, other than what it is. Pashyati, he perceives cognizes. What is this all around? What is this all around? Mahabaleshwar Hall, Girivihar Hall, is it not? Bhranta, Badavasha. Why? It is Brahma. Everything is Brahma. We see something other than that, this, that, etc., means under the spell of what? Vasana. So that is what it is. So that is perverted vision. Ekam Brahma. There is nothing other than Brahma. What we see is Drishya Rupa Jagat, means what has happened? Durdrishti. It is a perverted vision. So perverted vision. Why it has happened? Because, why? When did the vasanas were gathered? Anadi Kala. That is what it is. From Anadi Kala, Drishya Jagat. So through that now slowly what has to be done? It has to be turned back now. That's why Panchikarana. That's why Panchikarana means Apanchikarana, Panchikarana meditation. Actually it is Apanchikarana. It is a reversal of the creation. So that is how it is. So how? Because of these vasanas only. Now he is now explaining these vasanas at length. So different types of vasanas also will be explained later. But now, as a general example he gives about the vasanas, how everyone is in the grip of vasana. A general. Yes. Atracha means about this topic of vasanas. So this can be very easily seen in general. What is that? Praninam abhiniveshaha. Praninam is here of people. Abhinivesha, identification. Abhinivesha is identification or insistence on what? All these things, all these differences. Swa desha, one's own country or a place or state, whatever it is. Swa achara, one's own way or style of living. Swa kula dharma, that is the kula dharma belonging to oneself. Swa kula dharma. Swa bhasha veda, these different types of languages. Not only that, tadgata, bhasha bhedagata, belonging to different bhashas. What are those? Apashabda. Apashabda means slangs. Apashabda means slangs. That is corrupted words or censure, reproachful words or censure or slangs. Sushabdadishu. Sushabda means good idioms. Good idioms. In all these we find the abhinivesha, identification of the people. They will take this itself is the what? The best of the creation. Right? It belongs to who? Me. It belongs to me. That is what they consider. This is a general example of these vasanas. Means they are already programmed. In particular, he says, Paschat, afterwards, he says, author says, afterwards, Vedan Visheshatastu Uktva. Vedan, what Vedan? Vasana Vedan. The Visheshata Ukta, having described the specific types of vasanas, Udaharamaha. So we are going to, means I am going to give the illustrations to that effect. Means afterwards, after some portion, says, I will divide these vasanas and will give examples for each variety of vasana. So about these vasanas, we find references in Upanishads also. So maybe at places the word vasana is not used, but what it refers to is vasana only.
यथोक्तां वासनां विप्रेत्य बृहदारण्यके श्रूयते स यथा कामो भवति तत् चतुर्भवति यत् चतुर्भवति तत् कर्म कुरुते यत् कर्म कुरुते तत् अभिसम्पद्यते इति.
So Yathoktam vasanam abhipretya, with reference to the vasanas that was described so far, described hitherto, says Brihadaranyake Shruyate. This is what is found in Brihadaranyaka Upanishad 4.4.5. Saha yatha kamaha bhavati. A person yatha kamaha bhavati means is full of whatever type of desires. Accordingly, what does he do? Tat kratuhu bhavati. Kratu means nischaya. Tat nischyavan bhavati. As the desire, so the decision. Yat kratur bhavati. As the decision, tat karma kurute. So does he act, so does he do the karma. Yat karma kurute, tad abhisampadhi. Whatever he does, accordingly he gets the result. All this is what? As per the desire. And how those desires got shaped? Why did he not desire something else? Samskaras, vasanas. As the vasanas, so the desire. As the desire, so the decision. As the decision, so the action. As the action, so the desire. So therefore, this is how an individual is programmed. This can be verified from Brihadaranyaka Upanishad. Again, the different types of vasanas, the main bheda, the divisions of vasanas are described by Valmiki. Of course, Valmiki, it also must be this Yoga Vasishtha only. Also, elsewhere also, Muktika Upanishad also it is there. Now what Valmiki has said, let us see.
वासना भेदः वाल्मीकिना दर्शितः. वासना विविधा प्रोक्ता शुद्धा च मलिना तथा. मलिना जन्म हेतु स्यात् शुद्धा जन्म विनाशिनी.
Valmiki has shown the division of the different types of vasana, the division of vasana. What he has said? Vasana dvividha prokta. Vasana is said to be of two types. What are the types? Shuddha cha malina tatha. Shuddha, Shuddha vasana, pure vasana, tatha, so also malina, impure vasana. Pure vasana and impure vasana. What result do they give? Malina janma hetusya. The malina vasana, the impure vasana serves as the cause for future birth. Whereas Shuddha vasana janma vinashini. Shuddha vasanas, what they do? They destroy the janma. Means they is in the course of time, the person on account of Shuddha vasana gets freed from the bondage. Further, he describes
पुनर्जन्म कई प्रोक्ता मलिना वासना बुधैः.
first what is malina vasana is defined, thereafter what is Shuddha vasana will be described. Malina Vasana is like this. Ajnana Sughanakara. It is Ajnana, actually Ajnana Sughanakara, this phrase is explained in detail by the author himself. We will see that after it is going to come. So that Vasana, that is what the Malina Vasana, it is of such nature. Ajnana Sughanakara. So Sughanakara means that which has become very dense, or a very dense Ajnana. What is this very dense Ajnana and very rare Ajnana? Is there something? You see, that which is full of Ajnana Karya, the Bhranti Parampara, means full of wrong notions galore. So that is what is Ajnana Sughanakara. It will be explained in the Tika. Ghanahankara Shalini, endowed with intense ego. Endowed with intense ego. Again, Punarjanmakari, which is bound to give the Punarjanma. So, Budhaihi Sa Budhaihi Malina Vasana Prokta. That type of Vasana is said to be Malina Vasana. By who? Budhaihi, by wise people. So this is Malina Vasana. What is Shuddha Vasana?
Punarjanma Puram Yaktva Stita Samdrushtabhijavat Dehartam Driyate Jnata Neya Suddheti Chochate.
So that while reading we have stopped at Jnata, but the word is Jnata Jneya, one word it is. So the Jnata Jneya Vasana is Shuddha Vasana. What is its nature? Punarjanmankuram Tyaktva Sthita, which has abandoned the sprouting of Punarjanma, means which doesn't give the Punarjanma. Literally, which has given up the sprout of rebirth. So that is, which is devoid of rebirth, which cannot give, which doesn't lead to rebirth. Punarjanmankuram Tyaktva Sthita, which is so, and it is like Sambhrishta Bijavat, like the roasted seed. Why it is said so? It can't germinate. Just as roasted seed can't germinate, if Shuddha Vasana is there, no rebirth at all. So, then what does it do? Dehartham Dhriyate. This Shuddha Vasana continues only to keep the body going on. Means continues to keep the body according to Prarabdha. And mainly, this is its nature. It is Jnata Jneya. What is Jnata Jneya? Jneyam Jnata Yaya. The Vasa Jneyam Jnata Yaya. The one by whom Jneya, what is Jneya? Brahma is known. That is what is, that Vasana is that is what is called as Shuddha iti cha uchyate. It is called as Shuddha Vasana. It is called Shuddha Vasana. So now, by defining the Malina Vasana, Ajnana Sughanakara Vastu. What is this Ajnana Sughanakara? So that is now being explained.
Devadinam Panchakoshanam Tat Sakshinaha Chidatmanaha Cha Vedavarakam Jnanam Tena Sushtu Ghanibhutaha Akaraha Yasyaha Sa इयं ज्ञानसुगनाकारा
सा इयम् अज्ञानसुगनाकारा
अज्ञानसुगनाकारा यथा क्षीरं तत्र मेलनेन घनीभवति यथा वा विलीनं घृतम् अत्यन्तशीतलप्रदेशे क्षीरम् अवस्थापितं सुघनीभवति तथा वासना द्रष्टव्या घनीभावः च अत्र भ्रान्तिपरम्परा.
So this is what it is. So much is the explanation of Ajnana Sughanakara. This is Vidyaranya Muni. Ajnana Sughanakara. First he says, what is Ajnanam? Come and tell me what is Ajnanam? Ignorance. Ignorance of what? Atma. What do you mean by ignorance of Atma? Now see, what is he said? Dehadinam panchakoshanam, one side. On one side, Deha Adi, the body, etc., 5 koshas. On other side, Tat Sakshinaha Chidatmanascha. Sakshi, the one who makes us know the Dehadi Pancha Kosha. What is it? What is its nature? Chit Swarupa Atma. Now, is there any distinction between these two? Not totally opposed to each other. That which denies you the knowledge of distinction between the Dehadi Panchakoshas and Sakshi Chit Swarupa Atma, that avarakam, that veiling is Ajnanam. First he gave the definition of Ajnana. So that is Bheda Bhedasya avarakam, that which veils the distinction, Bheda, between what? Dehadi Panchakosha and Sakshi Chit Swarupa Atma. Then Tena means by that Ajnana Sushtu Gani Ghani Bhutaha Akaraha Yasyaha. The one, that is Yasyaha means Yasyaha, the one whose Akara, the nature is Sushtu means very well means intensely Ghani Bhuta, has become dense. What is that dense, etc. will be that Bhranti Parampara will come after. Sa iyam Ajnana Sughanakara. That is what is called as Ajnana Sughanakara. So that becoming Ghana, dense, for which illustration he gives. What is that? Which you know already. Yatha, just as Shiram, milk, Takramela Nena, putting the buttermilk in that, curling. By putting the buttermilk in that, what happens? Ghani Bhavati becomes dense. Or Yatava other. Vilinam Ghrutam. The ghee that is melted. Vilinam means melted. Melted ghee. Atyanta Shitala Pradeshe, in a very cold place, Chiram Avasthapitam, kept for a long time, what happens? Sughani Bhavati, becomes very dense. Tatha Vasana Drishtovya. So the Vasana becomes what? Ghani means becomes very strong. That's why it means very strong. This is all explanation. In short, do you know what it means? That Ghani Bhava becoming dense, don't think, acha, it goes on increasing the weight, then we'll have to find other way, other means to reduce the weight. If weight of Vasana is considered, end of it after. So no, it means this way. What is that? What is that Ghani Bhava? Vasana becoming dense. What is that? It is Atra, means in the context of Vasana is Bhranti Parampara. Nothing but parampara, non-stop series of Bhranti, errors. Start from where? I, Jagat, Ishvara, all this goes on, this thing, all wrong notions, etc. That is what is the Ghani Bhava. So now, if you want to know more about the this, what is it? Malina Vasana. So we need not go elsewhere. Lord Krishna has already explained in the Bhagavad Gita.
ताम च आसुर संपद विवरणे भगवान आह प्रवृत्तिं च निवृत्तिं च जना न विदुरासुराः न शौचं नापि चाचारः न सत्यं तेषु विद्यते
Tam cha means tam malinam vasanam cha. That malina vasana, so, has been described by who? Bhagavan. Bhagavan is Lord Krishna, where asura sampad vivarane. While explaining the asura sampad, Lord Krishna has described this malina vasana. So what is that? Like this. Gita chapter 16, stanzas 7 to 12. Stanza 7 to 12. This is how Lord Krishna describes. Pravrittim. Pravritti means vihita. That means enjoined. What is enjoined to be done by the Shastra? That is pravritti vihita. Nivrittim. Nishiddha. What is prohibited by Shastra as not to be done. So these things, asuraha janaha na viduhu. Asuri people means the people who have got asuri acquisitions, demonic acquisitions or values, they know it not. Not only that, teshu, in those asuri people, shaucham na, purity, cleanliness is not there. Purity inside and outside, not there. Acharaha na, the proper conduct as per the Shastra is not found. Again, teshu satyam na vidyate. The satya, truthfulness, speaking the truth is not there. So these are the asuraha. When you describe the demonic people, their conduct, their values are asuri values, which are the product of what? Malina vasana. There is a cause, and that samskara is malina vasana. Further, they say like this.
Asatyam pratishthante Jagadahuranishwaram Aparaspara sambhutam Kimanyatkamahaitukam.
They say the world is like this. What is it? Asatyam. Asatyam is like us. The world is full of liars only. So like us, the full world is full of liars. Asatyam. Apratishtham. For this world, there is no basis of papa, punya, dharma, adharma. This was somebody's imagination. Go note down. Lord Krishna said so. Who say? Asuri people, because of malina vasana, they consider like this, that the Jagat has no basis of papa, punya. What the Shastra says? Avoid papa, take to punya. But say nothing like that. So he says, asat apratishtham, apratishtham without basis of dharma and adharma. And te Jagat anishwaram ahu. They say this world has no Ishvara. There is no Ishvara at all. So without any creator, Anishwaram Ahu. And if you ask them, what is the cause of the Jagat? Oh, what is it? The mutual, that Stri Purusha, lustful indulgence, that is the cause of the Jagat. He says, Aparaspara Sambhutam. This is born of mutual, it is born mutually, other than Kim Anyat Kama Haitukam. What other cause is there for this Jagat? The cause is only Kama Haitukam. Jagat is, that is, the cause of the Jagat is the Kama between Stri and Purusha. So that lustful indulgence between man and woman, that alone is the cause of the Jagat. There is no other cause at all. What they do, having taken recourse to such wrong notions, they damn themselves.
Etam drushtimavashtavya nashtat manolpabuddhayah prabhavattyugra karmanah shayaya jagatohitah.
These people, who are these people? Asuraha janaha. Keep in mind, in the Asura Sampad, what is described is Asura people, their vision, their values, etc., which give an idea of what is the Malina Vasana. Why? Vasanas we can try to understand only through their manifestation. Otherwise we will have to find some device. That is not available. So from the manifestation of, oh, this must be the samskara in this person. That gives an idea about the vasana. So these people, who are those? Asuraha janaha, can be added. Etam drishtim avashtabhya. Having taken recourse to this drishti, this outlook, which was that described in the earlier stanza. And they are, what is that right now? Nashtatmanaha. Nashtatmana means not Sachidandatma here. Nashtatmana means Nashta Svabhava, Nashta Viveka. Their Viveka is totally got destroyed. Nashta Viveka, Nashtatmanaha. Alpa Buddhayaha. Their buddhi is only about alpa things, means Vishaya Buddhi. Alpa Buddhayaha means Vishaya Buddhi. So they are always, Buddhi, intellect is steeped in sense objects only. And as a result, do you know what they have, what they do? Ugra Karmanaha, taking to very cruel deeds, frightful deeds, Ugra Karmanaha. Jagataha ahitaha and santaha. Being the ahitaha means shatravaha. Jagataha means of people, of pranis, living beings. So being the enemies of the living beings, what do they do? Jagataha kshayaya prabhavanti. They become, prabhavanti means become the cause of jagataha kshayaya, the destruction of the living being. Means they indulge in such cruel acts, thereby they harm or destroy the living beings. Further, so they are of such nature.
Kamamashritya dushpuram Sambhamanamadamitaha Mohat gृहीत्वा sadgrahan Pravartante शुचिव्रताः
Dushpuram kamam ashritya. Having taken recourse to desires. What type of desires? Which can never be fulfilled. Insatiable desires. There is no count of those desires. So having taken to insatiable desires, again being endowed with anvitaha, being endowed with dambha, we have seen this, dharma dvajitvam. Even though the fellow is adharmi, He poses as if he is a great dharmi, religious person. Dambha, mana. So, though apujya, not a person worthy of adoration, but poses as if he is the worthy of adoration. Have you seen that? Sant Tukaram, that fellow was that, that other fellow who was that, I wrote the Abhangas and this fellow changed it and put it Tuka, etc. Like that. Anyway, so like this. So the mana, though apujya, not worthy of adoration, takes oneself to be worthy of adoration. Mada, full of haughtiness. So mada, as if intoxicated, full of haughtiness. Madantaha. So what do? Mohat asadgrahan grihitva. Mohat, on account of the wrong notion, delusion, erroneous judgment. So bhranti. Asadgrahan grahitva. Asadgrahan is ashubha nishchayan. Ashubha nishchayan. So therefore taking to wrong decisions, which are unholy decisions, what do? Ashuchi vrataha pravartanti. They conduct themselves in life with improper or impure, foul deeds. Vrata means as if it is their vow. As if a vow is taken, they indulge in foul deeds.
Chintamaparimeyaam cha pralayantam upasitaha samopabhuga parama etavaditi nishchitaha.
Pralayantam means maranantam, till death. So aparimeyam chintam upasita. They take shelter in what? Chinta, anxiety, concern. How much? Aparimeyam, limitless. No compose can help. So such limitless, that is chinta, anxiety is concern. So they are steeped in that. Kamopabhoga paramaha. According to them, kama, desires and enjoyment, bhoga, sense enjoyment, that alone is the highest goal of life. Means that is the parama, that is the highest achievement for whom? Etavad iti nishchita. This alone is the goal of life. Khao, piyo, maja karo. If necessary, gala kato. Yes, you say cut the throat of someone, but you enjoy. That is what is that. That is their philosophy. And further,
Asha kama krodha parayana ihante kama bhogatam anyayena sasanjayan.
Asha pasha shataihi baddhaha, bound by this pasha, fetters of what? Asha shatai, asha pashatai, fetters of desire. How many? Shata. Don't take shata as only 100. Bahu sankhya, it can be any number. So when the shata, sahasra comes, you can't confine it to 100, 1000, not that way. It is a bahu sankhya, innumerable. So ish asha pasha shatair baddhaha, so bound by this. Kama krodha parayanaha, their sole refuge is what? Desire and anger. And what they do? Kama bhogartham, for the fulfillment of their desires and enjoyment. Anyayena artha sanchayan cheshtante. Now ihante. Ihante means cheshtante. They work for artha sanchayan, accumulation of wealth, But how? Anyayena, by foul means, not by fair means. By foul means they take, that is, they work for accumulating, amassing the wealth. Further.
ते आसुराः जगद सत्यम आहुः.
This passage is the interpolation. The big passage is there, no? How big is that? Okay. Te asuraha, it is not here. Okay, I made a passage in there. It gives meaning of some of above stanzas. Well, it explains. You want it? Okay. This is the passage. Te means who? See, this is all explanation of this. Those people, who are they? Asuraha, Asuritva. Jagat asatyam ahu. They say, they describe the Jagat as what? Asatyam. It has no truth in there. What is that Satyam? Nasti Satyam Veda Purana Adi Pramanam Yasmin Tadrisham Jagat ahu. There is no Satya. Means the Veda Purana Adi Pramana is not there about this Jagat. What does it mean? Vedanam pramanyam na mannante itartha. So they do not accept that is authenticity of the Vedas. So that is not, that Veda, Purana, etc. nothing to do with the Jagat. Ataha eva, for that very reason, nasti Ishvaraha. Ishvara is not there. Who is that? The one who is the Karta, Vyavasthapakascha. So the one who is the Karta means creator of the Jagat, and Vyavasthapakaha, one who sustains the Jagat. Such Ishvara is not there. Yasmin Tadrisham Jagat Ahu. Otherwise, these people, Shastra, etc. say what? Jagat, Ishvara is there, who creates the Jagat, it has come from him. All this is all wrong, it is not correct. Yasmin means in whom, which? Ishvara. Tadrisham Jagadahu, that type of Jagat is there, what they say is not correct. Then the question comes, from where the Jagat is born? Tarihi, in that case, Kutaha asya Jagataha Utpattim Vadanti. From where the Jagat is born, if you ask, aha, they say, Aparaspara Sambhutam, etc. By mutual relation. What is that? Aparascha parascha iti aparaspara. Aparasparataha. Aparascha parascha means different. One another. The one another, different. So that is parasparam, means the meaning is mutual. That is mutual. So aparasparataha. What is aparasparataha? Anyonyataha, mutual. Mutually of what? Stri Purusha Mithunat Sambhutam Jagat. Because of, from the Mithunat, lustful indulgence between man and woman, the Jagat is born. Kimanyat Karanam Asya. What else can be the cause of this? Says, no. Nasti Anyat Kinchit. It's like a dialogue. There is no other cause at all. This is all their way of thinking. Kintu, whereas it is Kama Haitukam, it is born of lustful desire between who? Stri Purushayoho Kamaha Eva, the Kama, lustful indulgence of man and woman, Pravaha Rupena, in a continuous flow, Hetu Asya Ityahu is the cause of this Jagat. So further, Ghanahankarascha Tatra Eva Udahritaha. So this is that. That is the dense ahankara is described there only. There only means where? In Bhagavad Gita. In Bhagavad Gita, 16th chapter. So let us see that. Ahankarascha tatra eva udarta. In Bhagavad Gita only, ahankara is described. What does it mean? That cause of ahankara is malina vasana. Om Swasti Prajabhya Paripalayantam Om